Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So my name is Anand. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming updates. So friends, in this video, I am going to take one unit from the final year students, BSc final year. So that is reagent and reactions. We all know the meaning of the reaction and reagent. Reaction is nothing but the process of conversion of a reactant into product. So in this we can use the reagent or catalyst. As well, we know the difference between reagent and catalyst. So catalyst that helps to proceed the reaction without change in the reaction in the chemical nature, but reagent that helps to proceed the reaction with change in their chemical nature. So in this unit we are going to study the definition, preparation, mechanism, application of the different reagent that we had in our syllabus. So we know the meaning of reagent. So reagent is nothing but it's a chemical compound that we used in a system to proceed that reaction. That means, see here in organic chemistry, the term reagent denotes a chemical compound that introduced in a system to cause a reaction or that to cause transformation of reactant into product. Some example DCC, DDQ, NBS, etc. Second definition we can see a reagent is a substance or compound added to a system to cause a chemical reaction. The first reagent DCC, that is NN dicyclohexyl carbodiamide. Just you see the structure, both the cyclohexane they are attached to both the nitrogen atom. So its molecular formula is C12H22N2C. So you can see the structure also, both the cyclohexane they attach to two nitrogen atom, that two nitrogen atom double bondedly attached to the carbon atom. So DCC is a strong dehydrating reagent stored under anhydrous condition because it is a moisture sensitive. So dehydrating reagent is nothing but it remove the water molecule from particular chemical compound. So it is a potent skin irritant and should be used carefully. So health hazardous if you consider it is a skin irritant, so we have to use carefully. Then the properties if you consider, so this DCC is a white crystalline, that is waxy crystalline having low melting point around 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. Then boiling point if you consider it's around 120 to 124 degrees Celsius. And it's soluble in organic solvent like THF, tetrahydropuron, acetonitrile, etc. But it's insoluble in water. So it's the properties. So thank you for watching my video. So please subscribe more and more to my channel and also hit the bell icon for the next videos. So thank you one and all.